Right, we are trying to round up on this project. Look at the setting up of this room design. We have the reading table here, the office table, small office table. We have TV console. We have our wardrobe. So let's move around and see how it looks like. This is the TV console. We're having about 50 to 55 inches TV. This is our office chair setting up. This is a master bed. This is a 6x6 master bed design. And look at the wardrobe. This wardrobe I've showcased about. I've done a video about all this before. This is just the finishing setting up of this project. You can see the settings. Look at the lighting system and all other things in this project. I'm very sure if you would love to have this kind of thing for your house. So guys, this is what Billy Concept. We are located at Along Shogo Mushin, Lagos State. So for your house project, for your interior finishes, you can always contact us. In this project, we have different interior finishes. We have fluted panel, we have a PVC wall design, and these are finishes that you love to have in your apartment. So now, doing the furniture making, the house was painted before. Now we have to, in order for us to do finishing touch up, we are trying to touch up some area. So this is the TV console. It has nylon face. We are going to remove the decorative part, and this is a fluted panel with a PVC wall. That is the TV console design. So moving around, let's go to the kitchen finishes. So we are setting up the kitchen now. This is the marble design. This is the washing machine. Then it has its extractor. It has the gas burner with an oven. This is a microwave, and this is an elevator for dish. It's an elevator for dish. It has the pull back. Can pull. So that's the elevator for dish. So we have, what other appliances do we have here? I think major appliances accessories we introduce here is just the elevator. So guys, let's move around and see. So guys, check this small dining. This is just because we are designing the space according to the available space we have. This is a simple dining design, and this house is just a 3-bedroom design, 3-bedroom. So work is still going on. We are trying to, because doing the furniture, after painting, we have some touch up to do. So we are trying to do some painting finishes before we start the interior curtains and other finishes that is involved. In this room, we have a 4.5 by 6 bed, and we have the dressing mirror, and we have the 3 doors wardrobe. Also, same thing is here. This is also a 6 by 6 bed. This is also a 6 by 6 bed, and is designed.